So, if you've been living a certain lifestyle for 20 years, 25 years, etc., however old you are, and it's not conducive to the health and lifestyle goals that you are looking to achieve, recognize that being extreme and doing extreme things to try to change the direction of your life is not going to be the most sustainable way to get going, because what we think is like, because if I've been eating McDonald's and smoking cigarettes and drinking alcohol like a mad person, and you know, getting loads of fast food takeaways and stuff like that, this and just eating unhealthy meals, that what I have to do now is I have to do a juice fast for a week, only eat like fruit, or do a 1,000 calories a day diet and only live on shakes and stuff like that. What tends to happen is that it's not sustainable. Something challenging in life happens. We get frustrated, and we go for the first choice in our heads, and that's basically all the habits that we've accumulated. So we end up getting the takeaways and doing all these things. So recognize that it's the small disciplines that are going to get you to where you want to go, and that's a good thing to hear initially, because you're like, okay, these are small doable things that I can do every single day, that are going to eventually get me there. But I recognize that whenever you're starting, you want it now, you want your results now. So what I say is, have big goals, have big dreams, but then break those down into small daily habits that you can actually implement. I see people sometimes do meal swaps. They recognize, okay, they have 3 meals a day. They want to eat plant based, more healthy. So instead of having the refined stuff, they find a recipe they like that's whole food, plant based, and they just swap it. They may swap one meal out, and then the rest of it is kind of similar to what they normally do, and then they hone that down, and then they do it to the breakfast, and then they do it for the lunch. They can set plans on writing down everything, like writing down what they're gonna eat on the weekends, etc. And just setting small goals whenever it comes to their fitness as well. This is something I can speak on, because I've done these challenges where I'm walking like 20,000 steps a day, etc. And I love it. I love it. But generally speaking, whenever I started, I set this the goal to walk 10,000 steps a day for a week, even though 10,000 was very simple for me to hit. Uh, but what I recognize, that on the way to the 20,000 steps a day, walking the 10,000 steps the first week and then gradually moving it up, even though it was simple for me to hit that goal, there came a point in the week where the simplicity and the small disciplined nature of that goal actually really paid off. And I don't know if you've ever gotten that. You set a small discipline. You're like, okay, this is small, whatever. And then you're doing it every single day, and then there comes a point in the week, challenges, family, etc., where that small discipline actually pays off. And if you had set big drastic things, that would have been the moment you would have been like, screw it, screw it. You know what I mean? Screw it. So that is the magic of setting small disciplines. It gives you the self confidence, it propels you forward, and ultimately, it is creating the life that you want to live, because the the result is in the action. The result is in the action. It's like saying, when do I actually become someone who is learning a language? It's whenever you start learning your first word. So, with that being said, small disciplines are going to be the reason we get to our goals. Set big dreams, big visions, but break it down into small, manageable steps in your health, in your life, and this will help you see better success. And you can celebrate the small daily wins. So, with that being said, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, share this video, and have a good day.